YouTube, what is good? It's your boy Brandman17 coming at y'all with a quick little video today. As you can see by the title, we're gonna be talking about the right way to buy you a Dodge Charger, whether it's a Hellcat, a Scat Pack, a RT, a V6, whatever one you're trying to get. And then we're gonna talk about the wrong way to buy it. And then I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive. Might break that off into a second video, but you'll see when it's posted. But right now I'm on my way to baseball practice. For those of y'all that don't know, I coach baseball. We got practice this morning, so we headed there to put in some work, get these boys better. Yeah, that's really it. But when it comes to the Dodge Chargers, the V8s more specifically, you got the Hellcats, you got the Scat Packs, you got the SRTs, you got the you got the RTs. Like, it can get tricky whenever you in the market for one. As always, when you buying a vehicle, have a budget going into it. Have a price set that you already know. You telling yourself you are not going to pay over this price amount. And the price amount that you should probably go with, it's going to be something that's going to make the monthly payment, not to where it's going to bust your pockets, bro. Because I done seen some people paying for RTs, pretty much my car, the car that I'm driving. I've seen people paying up to $1,000, more than $1,000 to drive this car. And would I myself pay $1,000 to drive this car per month before insurance, before gas? Probably not, bro. Would I buy this car or would I buy any car? Would I buy a Hellcat, a Scat Pack? With the mindset that, oh yeah, buying this car is finna motivate me. I'm finna run up a bag off of this car. No, I wouldn't do that. I would not do that. If I didn't have my YouTube channel, I'd still be perfectly content with driving my Dodge Charger RT, bro. If I was trying to, keep up with the Joneses, keep up with everybody like that, yeah, I could have got a Hellcat. Cause I done seen the people that end up with them $1,000 monthly payments, 9 times out of 10, they don't have the income to sustain that $1,000 a month payment. $1,000 a month, I don't know if y'all realize how much money that is, but if you making somewhat decent money, that's pretty much a whole week's worth of wages. All right, and I don't know everybody living situation. I know the majority of folks, or I don't know, the majority of folks, they probably do live with their parents. But I know, if you on your own, if you not living with your parents, if you paying rent, buying your groceries, stuff like that, you're not getting help from your parents, they not throwing you $100 here, $100 there, shit, you might be sending them some money. If you in a situation like that, bro, and you trying to afford a car that costs $1,000 a month, bro, I'm gonna sit here right now and tell you that you cannot afford that car. But this ain't financial advice, do what you gotta do. I'm just telling you what I would not do, and I wouldn't do that shit. But bro, if your job is not paying you 6 figures, bro, if your job ain't paying you 6 figures, you shouldn't be trying to buy no $50,000 car, no $40,000 car, 30, 35. If you ain't getting paid 6 figures, you can make that work. But unless your ass bringing in cash and got some more stuff going on, you probably don't need to be trying to drive no Hellcat. Because like I've been telling y'all for the longest, I don't even see that many RTs on the road. I know it's just a lot of people I really don't be seeing that many RTs. I see way more V6s. Way more V6s. But the right way to do it, bro, have your budget set. Don't go over your budget. If you need just a decent little budget, let's just say you're not making the most bread. Let's say you make $2,500 a month. So that's probably $750 a week, if my math is right. Y'all could check me on that. I guess $750 a week, that'd be closer to $3 a month. We could go with $3 a month. You making $750 a week, bro. If your car note, insurance, gas, all of that, if it's over $750, you may be spending too much on your car, bro. It's a lot of people overspending on their cars. It's crazy. It's a lot of people overspending on their cars. But yeah, man, you do not want to be paying $1,000 a month for a car. Unless the hoe making you about 10 bands a month, you don't want to be doing that, bro. But the way that I would recommend it, going to the dealership, have your credit and stuff like that right first, bro. If your credit ain't right, and that's another thing, people be coming on here, they be capping. They be capping about their credit. They be saying their credit be on point, then it don't be on point. They say they get a good interest rate, but they don't get an interest rate. They still paying $1,000 a month. Like, yeah, putting no money down in the car is cool, but I don't know, man. I seen one dude, or I ain't even gonna like put him out there like that, but let's just say I was watching a YouTube video. I seen somebody, bro. They said they spent close to $60K out the door on their car, bro. Close to $60K out the door on their car. And it didn't really sound like they was making, you know, the most money. Honestly, based off what they said in the video, bro, they couldn't afford a $60,000 car. I don't drive a $60,000 car, and it was a RT. It was a RT. They said the last call deals was going crazy. If you ask me, bro, I don't give a damn about no last call. I don't care about no damn RT plus. I really ain't tripping on plan. I don't really care about that stuff, but it's like, bro, you gotta make sure that you know, you gotta make sure you putting yourself in a decent little position, bro. You can't screw yourself over like that. Cause getting hit for $60K out the door on an RT, bro, is crazy. Even if it is brand new, fresh off the lot, like, that is not the play, bro. Like I was telling y'all, like I almost bought a 2018. I almost didn't buy this car. I wanted one that was cheaper. I wanted one that was like, or if they would have let me get that 18, if I could have got that for like 20K, 22K out the door, bro, I probably would have did it. But, you know, I went newer, better color, better mileage, you know. Warranty worked out well. I got a pretty solid deal. Alright. I paid probably like 30. I'm gonna just say 35K. 35K out the door. It wasn't anything more than that. It was actually less, but 35K, that's the number I'm gonna give y'all. So with 35K, if you see my videos, you know my payment. You know what my payment is. I'll be telling y'all I pay about $520, $525 a month. But I didn't put no money down. Didn't put no money down, financed through my credit union. Didn't use the car dealership's financing. Credit union, they also got me a better warranty package, so it worked out. But yeah, man, it's like, I don't know. There's a lot of ways to do it. If you're trying to get a Hellcat, the amount that you're gonna pay, bro, be ready to be paying closer to $1,000, $1,200, $1,300, $1,400, $1,500 before insurance. Before insurance, you're gonna be paying the big ticket. You're gonna be paying a lot. You're gonna be paying the grip. That's why, I mean, that's one of the main reasons I went RT, bro. Where I'm at in life, bro, I'm 27. No kids, but you know, kids in the future. Needed me a sedan, needed me a family-sized car. Nothing too crazy. Monthly payment not too crazy. Could get it paid off earlier. The RT, it made a lot of sense for me. Over the Scat Pack. You know, and over the Hellcat. That's not to say that I wouldn't get a Hellcat in the future or anything like that. I probably would. But it'll just be more so, you know, when the time is right, you know, got some more money saved up, you know, Bitcoin like fucking blew up and shit. That's when that'll be. But it's like, bruh, you have to make smart financial decisions, especially if you a youngin', bro. And the youngins, they be going crazy with the Scat Packs and shit on YouTube, bro. It's like, damn. Like, yeah, you 19, you 20, bro, you 21, bro, but damn, you committed to $1,000 a month payment. At what expense, bro? Like, do you get more homies cause you got a cat, you got a Scat Pack, RT, whatever? Like, do you get more girls? Do you like do more money just come your way? I don't know, man. Like, you would think it do. You would think it do. Cause these dudes, they be going ham, bro. They be going ham. They ain't got no regard for they monthly expenses. But I mean, I don't know. It is what it is, bro, really. At the end of the day. Cause not everybody, I mean, somebody gotta make the bad financial decision, stuff like that, man. Somebody gotta do that. It's gotta be somebody making the good financial decisions. It's really just like, which one do you want to be? That's really the main thing. But yeah, I think I done pretty much covered everything. How to buy an RT the right way. Get your credit right. Get pre-qualified. Don't commit to no bullshit that you know you can't sustain, man. Don't try to go too crazy with the ride that you get. If you got a V6 budget, bro, and you really fiending to get a V8, get a RT. Don't get no damn Scat Pack. Don't get no damn Hellcat. You cannot afford it. But really, I wouldn't even recommend you getting a RT if you ain't got the V8 budget, bro. Stick to the V6. You know, do what you do with it. Enjoy the car. When it's time for you to get a V8, bro, get a V8. But yeah, that's pretty much covered it in this video. These next like 20 minutes or so, I'm headed to my old college. These next like 20 minutes or so, I'm gonna be really just cruising the highway, cruising the tollway, fucking up the road, you know. But yo, appreciate you watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Leave your